Where's the warrant? Where's the warrant, ma'am? We haven't seen a warrant.
The DOJ is invoking naman yung RA 9861.
51, 9851.
Sorry,
Yes.
9851 na
Yeah.
pwede raw
There are no rules on surrender. There are no rules on surrender.
International Tribunal.
It is our legal belief, not just argument. It is our legal belief that there is a vacuum in that provision. Ang nakalagay kasi dyan, pursuant to all applicable extradition laws and treaties, right? So wala pang laws on treaties or rules on surrender. Therefore, in dubio pro reo tayo. When in doubt, let's rule in favor of the accused. Wala pang rules on surrender. Meaning they cannot, on their own, just make up rules on surrender.
Pakinggan natin ang naging pahayag ni Attorney Jimmy Bondoc na nasa Senado po kanina na maganap ang mga barilan at iba pang mga tagpo sa loob ng mataas na kapulungan ng Kongreso.
Hindi lang po naniniwala. Napatunayan yan eh. Kasi magkakasama naman kami sa iisang lugar at wala naman silang ginawang any indication na meron silang intention na arrestuhin si Bato.
Sir, yung yung NBI agents, may kinalaman po ba ito sa threat para kay Senator Bato? Or
Paano naman pong hindi, di ba? Alam niyo po, as a lawyer, we're being very careful to show respect to the agencies of the government, right? Pero what are you supposed how are we supposed to react? Nandun po kami, nagpuputukan, nagtatakbuhan po kami doon. Para po talagang war zone yung aming nadanasan. Tapos yung nakita pa naming mga footage and the few glimpses that we had, may mga NBI doon sa vest na suot nila. So, siyempre, at first glance.
Kasama niyo po si Senator Bato de la Rosa nung nagkakaputukan.
Sandali, ano yan?
Nung kasama niyo po si Senator de la Rosa nung nagkakaputukan.
Hindi, kahihiwalay nga lang namin noon, he was in the 5th floor.
Okay.
Pero sa mga nag-iisip po na baka siya ay nakalikas na, hindi po barely 3 minutes ago, I was with him before talking to you.
Sir, safe pa ba siya sa loob ng Senate building?
Absolutely.
Dahil may nakapuslit ng mga perceived NBI agents na
Well,
maaaring threat sa kanyang buhay.
Wala naman sigurong 100% safe. Pero safe as can be reasonably,
Pero kumusta po
Made.
si Senator Bato?
It's okay. He's in good spirits. Parang he was more concerned about us na okay ba kayo? Sabi ko, Sen, okay kami. Ikaw, kamusta ka? Okay lang ako, Jim. Sabi niya.
So dito pa siya mag-overnight?
Wala naman siyang ibang pupunta.
Pero sir, what is the basis for your continued invocation of the protective custody of the Senate? Sinasabi po ni dating Senator Franklin Drilon, there's no such thing as a protective custody. And according to some legal experts, they're saying na hanggang 6 years lang po ang immunity ng mga mambabatas kapag halimbawa merong...
Where's the warrant? Where's the warrant, ma'am? We haven't seen a warrant.
The DOJ is invoking naman yung RA 9861.
51, 9851.
Sorry,
Yes.
9851 na
Yeah.
pwede raw
There are no rules on surrender. There are no rules on surrender.
International Tribunal.
It is our legal belief, not just argument. It is our legal belief that there is a vacuum in that provision. Ang nakalagay kasi dyan, pursuant to all applicable extradition laws and treaties, right? So wala pang laws on treaties or rules on surrender. Therefore, in dubio pro reo tayo. When in doubt, let's rule in favor of the accused. Wala pang rules on surrender. Meaning they cannot, on their own, just make up rules on surrender.
Attorney, would you know po, kasi di ba binigyan ang camp ni Senator Bato ng Supreme Court ng 72 hours para sumagot dun sa opposition sa petition niya for TRO. Sasagarin ba yung 72 hours na yon o dahil dito sa pangyayari
Hindi ko alam
immediately tomorrow?
Hindi ko alam ang gagawin ng respondents. Binigyan sila ng 72 hours, tapos after that, bibigyan kami ng 72 hours, di ba? But again, like I said, we don't have to wait for that in order for us to avail of TRO ulit. Or to pray for it.
Okay, so magpa-file po ng panibago?
Oh, because this is based naman on the clear text of the order, di ba? Na sinabi without prejudice.
When will you file? Because of the supervening events.
Yeah, we're planning as early as wala pong natutulog sa mga lawyer. Nandiyan po yung ibang lawyers namin. Tatrabaho.
Attorney, sorry,
Sumuko lang ako ngayon dahil babalik ako sa mag-ina ko.
Opo. nandun ba kayo nung nag-Facebook Live si Senator Bato at sinabi niya na ang kanyang information nandito sa area yung mga NBI agents daw na aaresto?
Magkahiwalay po kami noon nung mga panahon.
Okay.
So just to be clear, nakita niyo yung vest na suot ng mga tao kanina ay NBI? Nakalagay po ba doon sa mga vest?
Saan po
Nakita
ninyo
naman,
nakita?
sa TV naman, nakita mo rin eh.
Nakita
mo rin,
ninyo
diba?
sa TV na nandito sa area, not inside the building.
Yes, although again, dahil nagtatakbuhan kami, we saw glimpses of it, of what I think was NBI. Pero siyempre, it was confirmed nung nakita ko sa TV.
Kumusta si Senator Bato sa loob?
It's okay. He's doing fine and is in better spirits now. At least I think he feels a bit safe now. In fairness po to Secretary Remulla, he has provided adequate protection.
Nakita niyo ba kung kinausap na Secretary Remulla si Senator Bato?
Hindi po, ang kinausap po kasi nung time po na nag-uusap ang mga senador at si Secretary Remulla, that was also the time that Senator Bato was separated from us. Kaya kami po mga lawyers were very worried, kaya tawag kami ng tawag kay Senator Bato kung safe siya. And finally, when he picked up, ayun.
Bakit kayo nag-separate? Bakit kayo nag-iwalay po?
To have dinner.
Not because of the commotion
No.
Kahit may commotion, sir, he feels safe now. Bakit po nasabi ni Senator Bato yun? Dahil
No.
hindi siya arrestuhin?
No. He did say he feels safe. He just looks like he feels safer a bit now. Dahil nga naman may mga binigay na mga assurances si Secretary Remulla that we all are in unison in believing. No? So, okay naman.
So kahit may nangyari po ganito, mananatili po si Senator Bato sa loob.
Because there's no other option. Siyempre, kung pwede siya umuwi, di umuwi na lang siya.
Hindi niya kasama yung majority ng mga senator. Nakaseparate siya ngayon.
Hindi ngayon. Pero kanina, again, to be very clear, nung nag-dinner kami, nagsama-sama pa kami. Tapos nauna siya kasi he ate first, so nauna siya.
Attorney, the safety of the senators and as well as the Senate itself has been in a hot
Threatened,
seat or
yes.
threatened tonight, and we've seen that.
Mm.
And at the same time, the credibility of the Senate is also being affected then. No?
Why?
With
Why
all-
the credibility of the
with all the public backlash and the demand of the legal luminaries that we have, saying that walang protective custody and the likes yung Senate, and kailangan nitong isurrender yung anyone from their party, or part ng kanilang body.
I think the debate between the legal luminaries is at a standoff also. Hindi naman siya, I don't think they're being shamed in the sense na parang talong-talo sila sa argument. I think it is an ongoing public discussion, and right now it is our duty as lawyers to argue for our client, and also according to our belief na wala naman talagang rules of surrender pa. And I'm sure they're invoking Section 17 of RA 9851. Ang unang-una pong paragraph dyan ay ang binibigay ng jurisdiction po sa Pilipinas pagdating po sa mga krimen na yan. So yun po dapat ang fokusan natin. Number 2, yung huling pangungusap po dyan nakalagay pursuant to applicable existing treaties, di ba? Extradition laws and treaties. So kailangan po talaga, ganito po ang aming statement, ang lahat po ng paghuli sa ating mga kababayan, kahit ano pa, kahit foreign po na tribunal o mag-issue ng warrant, kailangan pong dumaan sa lokal na proseso. That is a strong and unbending belief. Hindi po pwede i-shortcut yun kahit ano po pong interpretation ng gawin nila sa batas, because that goes against sovereignty.
Pero sir, using your own argument, kung halimbawa sinasabi niyo, nasan ang local warrant, ba't kailangan niya magstay sa Senate? Bakit hindi na lang siya umuwi sa sarili niyang bahay?
Because he's under threat. May mga public pronouncements naman po yung mga law enforcers na huhulihin siya eh. Tapos merong mga public pronouncement ni si Matibag, siya na rin na nagsabi na mas makapangyarihan daw ang ICC warrant kaysa sa local warrant. These are pronouncements of official pronouncements of officers. So he has every right to be threatened by these threats of enforced
But
disappearances.
sir, SILG Remulla said he will not be arrested tonight, and at the same time, NBI said,
By the ILG,
wala
by the
pong-
police, NBI pa, CIDG pa.
NBI said that wala po silang pinadala raw na mga personnel ngayong gabi, and all of them almost are in the seminar.
Yet may mga taong nakabest nila. So hindi namin alam. We're not accusing them, but we're saying that right now on its face, the way it looks, parang NBI agent, parang. And we out of our based on the right to preserve ourselves, syempre we have to assume what it looks like, 'di ba? And what it looks like is NBI agents po yung pumasok.
So because
What it looks like, ha?
So because of what happened kanina, sir, meron bang ibang instructions si Senator sa inyo after this?
puro legal po ang instructions sa amin. We come up with multiple avenues, legal avenues, and he is at liberty to choose kung anong mas maganda. Pero we are in ano naman, parang medyo in agreement kami more or less sa mga taktika namin. We won't reveal all of that na lang.
And attorney, we can expect Senator Bato to show up in the coming days, including tomorrow po.
The Senate, yeah, he has nowhere to go. Don't worry, guys.
Nandito siya, sir. Okay siya.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, attorney.